What's up, guys? This is your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. I want to come to you live about having a financial plan for your future. Listen, I want to show you an example real quick right here. Starting point, $15,000 monthly investments, $100 a month. Total existing 15,100, right? And this is the sum total. Now, you're going to be debt free by 2023 if they follow what we're teaching people at a projected investment value at 8% annual rate return. Okay. And so I want you to just see how this thing will end up, right? This $15,000 investment, how it's going to end up at the year 2033 at $764,916. Congratulations, you have achieved financial freedom. Everything else is extra. Every other year is going to come anyway. So why not follow what we're teaching people so they can have a nice, comfortable retirement? Now look at this. By the year 2053, that $15,000 investment at a projected investment value of 8% annual return. Listen, folks, you're talking about starting point 2018. This is 2018. Okay. So in 2053, that's about 45 years, right? Maybe off, or maybe 35 years. Let me see. 35, 3. Yeah, about 35 years. About 35 years. Okay. You're looking at $6 million, folks. $6 million. Now, this is why you need to have a roadmap. One thing about MyEcon in our back office is that under the training support materials, okay, on the training manual, we have, this is where I pull this example from, okay, from the training support materials in our back office. Right here, number 5, investing to build passive income. If you're in MyEcon, I want to show you something real quick that you really want to follow, because this right here shows you where you don't have to recruit anybody. Okay, you don't have to recruit anybody to follow this strategy, these strategies, okay? And I want to talk about the main one, your personal cash flow plan. What's your PCP? Okay, so your PCP doesn't have anything to do with you recruiting other individuals, right? However, if you do share, it's a bonus. Step 1, acquire as much cash flow as possible each month. Okay, whether it be business income, less taxes, W-4 adjustment, less expenses, eliminated debt, apply the extra cash flow to the steps in the system. Step 2, set up a beginner emergency fund. That's the first step that you need to set yourself up on a path to financial freedom. You need $3,000 in the emergency fund, okay? Now, number 3, begin investing in a retirement account of some kind, 401k, 403b, IRA, Roth IRA, Simple IRA, SEP IRA, annuity, okay? 4, take the rest of your available cash flow after living expenses and set up the MyEcon debt elimination plan. Pay off all your consumer debt, not your mortgage. Do not go to step 5 until you have completed step 4. Okay? If you're not maxing out your retirement investments, raise payments to the max. Do not go to step 6 until you've completed step 5. So listen, this thing literally gives us all of the steps that we need. Okay? Think about this. This is your goals. Okay? This is why you need to make sure when you join MyEcon, or if you're in MyEcon, you go through the cash flow strategist. You have a one-on-one conversation with the cash flow strategist in your back office, and you be brutally, totally honest about where you want to be. Because the bottom line is, this is going to happen anyway. Time is going to pass, and these years are going to come up anyway. Might as well learn what the wealthy know and put the money to work for you. Guys, you should not be working hard for money. Money works. You shouldn't be working hard for money when money works. Okay? You just got to know how to work it. So look at these questions: retirement freedom goal, monthly dollar amount, projected monthly dollar amount that will be provided by company pension and Social Security. A lot of companies just suck in this area, okay, in this department. Project dollar amount, net dollar amount needed monthly to reach desired income goal. Okay, total assets needed to provide desired monthly goal. Projected value of assets owned today. Projected net value of assets. Monthly amount needed for investments. Dollar amount. See, you got to answer these questions. You have to be honest with yourself, okay, when you're answering these questions. And I'm telling you, if you discipline yourself and you follow the system, you're going to find yourself understanding the value and power of the MyEcon personal financial success company, because you're going to start having personal financial success. Okay, so don't just join MyEcon. If you're in MyEcon, don't just be in here not going through the back office, not going through the training manuals, not going through the compensation plan documents, not going through everything that this company has available for you. Okay, you want to go through everything, all of these. Okay, you hit everything pops up. You can put a star here to make sure that you see it first into your favorites. So this is very powerful. Just wanted to walk you through this very quickly. Hope you understand the power of what we have. This is not just a sign-up game. This is not just a go out and recruit the whole world. No, this is personal financial success. There are people in MyEcon who literally have cash flowed over $1 million without really recruiting and building a team. So hopefully this helps you. James R. Davis Sr., one of the many executive vice presidents here with MyEcon. This is my profile, Icons for Life. If you're watching this from YouTube, okay, you can follow me on Facebook. You can also follow my fan page, because all I do is post results. Results. If you want proof, plenty of proof, even if you're on my team, come over here, use these stories for yourself. You know, story sells, facts tell. Okay, so follow me if you are watching this from YouTube, or if you stumbled across this video some kind of way. Follow me, follow and like my page. You know, you also want to click and see it first, because I'm always shooting information down the pipe. I just posted these phenomenal testimonials, videos, tips, okay, all kinds of great value. All right, so listen, again, get your cash flow strategist summary up and running. If you are in MyEcon, you really haven't gotten MyEcon in you unless you got a strategy for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years, for the next 15, 20 years. You're not in MyEcon if you haven't done the strategies yet. Okay, so make sure you're doing that. Okay, make sure you are doing that within the MyEcon app. Let me go to that real quick and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Once you get into MyEcon, you download this app. Okay, you download this app and you log in. This app is on your phone. Okay, and you simply can set up your strategies. Oh, let me get the right username and password in here. You should get it. Okay, this part right here, the cash flow strategies, you want to set that up. Okay, you want to set this up, folks. Go through this. It's going to give you the blueprint, give you the roadmap that you need to get to where you want to be. Okay, so this is James R. Davis Sr. signing out. Love you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.